Namaste, Pandit Fakir.
Welcome to Om Shanti Ashram, your study center, Sati Babu. Tell me, sir.
When Hamas attacked, I told the socha nahin. Just explain.
Dr. Satnarayan, what happens when Hamas attacked Israel and kidnapped 500 people and murdered and massacred women and raped the dead bodies? You asked me the question. My dost, my langotia underwear wale dost, don't you think Hamas thought that what is the consequences of their attack and terrorist action? You are wise man. You are very wise man because you always think. See, thinking is, people think means positive thinking. But they did not understand they are so much crooked and so much cunning and so much crooked. They think a lot. They all think but negative. See what your best friend said, Ralph Emerson. What's wrong with mankind? They don't think.
They don't think.
What Rollo may say, men don't think.
Men don't think.
What Albert Schweitzer said, men don't think.
Don't think.
Everyone said, men don't think. All are fools. I dare to say, nobody can tell me they don't think. Even Buddha said, men don't think. Fools. I am the first man to tell man don't think is wrong. Your mind is like the land you see there. Put there, sir, camera. Your mind is just like the land. Whether you put good thought or bad thought. Whether you put good thought, then
Bad.
only right thinking will come.
Yes.
But otherwise also mind keep on thinking.
Yes.
And always empty mind is devil's workshop. Somebody said this.
Yes.
It will keep on thinking. That's why yoga came. To resist that thinking. Because yoga says your mind will non-stop keep on thinking. Waves and tides of thoughts will come in. Irrelevant. They know that, but they say men don't think. What a contradiction here.
Yes.
What fools that the human being, the greatest, I named you few. Patanjali said, Yoga Chittavritti Nirodha. Your mind is an intricate and accurate machine, non-stop working. And what mind does think? Now right think or wrong think. But if you don't put, but right think, it will never think right. Remember, it will seldom think right. It will always think wrong, because it doesn't control. It is like a started engine of a car and you have put in gear, autopilot. It is going somewhere. Luckily it may go to the road also. But chances are there it can go anywhere, hit the trees, go to the ditch and pits, So this is wrong that people say men don't think. Men think, but most of the time, 99.9% they think wrong. And that's why the world is chaos. I give you an example. Hamas. You were right to say that they didn't think right. If they think action-reaction, law of karma, law of compensation, the absolute law of cause and effect, it will act. Whatever seed of thought you are planting, that will give you the harvest. Good seed of thought will give you good harvest. Bad seed of thought will give you bad harvest. My best friend said, he wrote a good essay on angle. The strangest secret. There he said, there are two seeds. One is a corn or mango.
Yes.
Good seed. Put that, it will give you corn or mango. Another is nightshade. The most poisonous tree. If you also plant same side by side, it will give you its own character.
Yes.
The biggest poison, the most dangerous poison on earth. So seed of thought really gives the result. Because nature never errs. Nature never will make mistake. The law of action and reaction. Remember, speak up.
Law of action and reaction.
Law of action and reaction.
Yes.
The law of sowing and reaping.
Yes.
Yes, not mine, speak. The law of sowing and reaping.
Law of sowing and reaping.
The law of karma.
Law of karma.
The law of compensation.
Law of compensation.
The absolute.
Absolute.
Law of cause and effect.
Cause and effect.
Always work.
Always works.
Satnarayana is a man who is videographing. He always sow the right thing. Because he knows if I sow the wrong seed, I will be in deep trouble.
Yes.
I know a personal friend of mine. He sowed the seed of corruption and he was in jail. And when he came out of the jail, he became a wise man now because he tasted the bitter fruit of his evil doings. There is another man, another good friend, same name as this videographer. He did such a evil thing, he was in jail. But when he came out, now he transformed. His every member of the family said, no, sir, I will never do wrong because I know wrongdoing will ruin my life.
Yes.
We want to earn little but want to be a good person. What a great thing, रे. What a great thing. सत्याग्रह उसका बेटा बोलता है मेरा बाप जेल गया 8 गुंटाज के बदले क्या किया 8 एकड़ से लिखवा लिया बस भैया और वो मिलके वो लोग डेड बॉडीज वो तो सुसाइड करके मर गया इसके यहाँ डेड बॉडी डाल दिया वो आदमी 50-60 एकड़ जमीन को क्या किया मैनिपुलेट करके पासबुक बना के बेच लिया खरीद लिया एमआर के साथ वो जेल गया तुम्हारा दोस्त का बेटा और जब वो वापस आया तो समझ गया अरे इज्जत ही नहीं है नाम ही नहीं है किस लिए जी रहे हो समझदार लोग हैं बड़े काबिल लोग हैं ये सुधर गए इट इज नेवर बैड टू डू रॉन्ग बट टू करेक्ट योर सेल्फ दे आर ग्रेट पीपल यू अंडरस्टैंड
Yes.
एवरी टू वर इज ह्यूमन
Yes.
पुतिन को पूछा गया very strongly he was asked, sir, how many blunders you have done? Putin replied, tell me who is one of you who has not done mistakes? I have done blunders many times. Where is mistake? Sometimes my mind slips, we do mistake. We become greedy, we become angry. Kama, krodha, tha, lobha.
Hridaystanti.
Hridayati shanti taskara, gyan ratna bhara, tasmat jagrata.
Jagrata.
So, Sati Babu, thing is, everyone thinks
Everyone thinks.
good people are training their mind by yoga, meditation. What is their training? Tell me. You have to answer those, you will be beaten.
Satya.
How the mind is trained? How the mind is trained?
Yes.
Good people train their mind.
Yes.
Because mind is wild. They train their mind. It is a wild horse which
Yes.
Alexander trained and became the best horse. How they train their mind? They put the right seed of thought. What is that? Yama.
Yama, niyama.
What is the yama?
Yama.
Ahimsa satya.
Sastya brahmacharya parigraha.
Ahimsa satya. Ahimsa satya
Satya.
astya brahmacharya aparigraha.
Aparigraha.
These seed of thoughts धारण करते हैं ध्यान लगाते हैं. Then mind become trained horse. What even?
Trained horse.
They also train their mind by niyama.
Yes.
स्वच्छा संतोषा तपसा स्वाध्याय ईश्वर प्रधान. They again धारण करते हैं ध्यान
ध्यान
लगाते
लगाते
हैं फिर वो समाधि बच जाते हैं ज्ञानी हो जाते हैं. वो मैं हूँ.
Yes.
मेरा असेसमेंट समझ गया.
समझ गया.
तो मैं सोचता हूँ अच्छा मैं दिन रात यही सोचता हूँ सत्या कट कर दूसरे फिल्म